Are you fire season ready? Hi, I'm Eva from Crusader Hose, and we'd like to show you how easy it is to use a fire hose kit. All fire hose kits come in either 25 or 38 millimeter diameters in standard 20 meter lengths. After you remove the hose packaging, while holding both ends, unroll the hose. Attach the BSP fitting to your fire pump, then close the shutoff nozzle. Slowly open the valve of your water tank and start up your pump. The high pressure capability gives the hose a good reach. Empty the hose by walking it out, then roll it or fold it to a compact size. Ian has been using Crusader Hose for many years. This is what he has to say.
It's really easy to use. The quality gives me peace of mind. Highly recommend the Fire Hose Kit from Crusader Hose.
Crusader Hose uses polyester synthetic yarns and weaves them on world-class looms. The Fire Hose Kit is in stock and ready for dispatch.
Like with all fire safety drills, we recommend that you test your pump and run out your hose at least once a year. Be fire ready. Make the Fire Hose Kit from Crusader Hose part of your fire safety plan.